This is Free Talk Business 2, Lesson 10 Review, How to Succeed in Business. I've been thinking a lot about what it really takes to be successful. I used to think lucky breaks were everything, but now I think it's consistency. Totally. People talk about talent, but I think it's overrated. Productivity matters more. But taking breaks helps too, as long as you're not just goofing off all day. My biggest enemy is distraction, social media, emails, everything competing for attention. I've started timing my tasks. It's surprising how much more I can get done when I work in short sprints. Smart. Also, we always hear quality over quantity, but sometimes doing more is how you improve faster. One mistake I made was taking a detour into a job I didn't care about. It set me back a bit. But maybe that detour taught you something too. Some lessons are underrated. True, I guess success is a mix of learning, effort, and being ready when that lucky break finally comes. Okay, good job.